You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name from the Bleach anime series. For more names from manga series, Japanese animes, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. More character names, stay tuned. The correct pronunciation of the name is as Yhwach, Yhwach, even though in the official English dubbing of the series, which many argue is not correct, they pronounce it as Yhwach, Yhwach. So if you say it, if you pronounce it, if your pronunciation is as Yhwach, you're not incorrect, but you're more correct if you say it as Yhwach, Yhwach, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.